Today we are learning the line chart of Apex chart library. So let's move on to the implementation part of this line chart. Here is the basic component for this chart, and you can import it from React hyphen Apex chart library. So required parameters are options and series. I am using series as a datetime series, so I assign the type as the datetime, and the data is the on x-axis date, and on y-axis the data for that date. So and I also assign the type as line chart. Here you can see that there are many other options of this chart in the Apex chart library, so I'm using the line chart. Okay, so let's move on to the options. There are a couple of options here, like no data for the condition when there is no data on the x and y axis, so you can assign a text for that. And this is the series, so type is datetime and data is this. And stroke, this is for the line chart curve. So here the curve I'm using is smooth. You can change this like straight, step line or straight. Okay, so let's see, this is the straight curve, and there is one or more option as step line. Okay, so if I'm using step line, then this is the step line curve. Okay, so this is nothing but the enum I exported here. So this is the chart curve enum, and these are the other enums for each of the options. So here if I'm changing this width from 5 to 2, so you can see that the width of this chart curve is decreased now. So this is for here, and marker is this points. You can see that these cuts at the edge of this curve chart. If you want, you can hide these markers from assigning 0 value. So this is a complete line chart. And dashed array to assign a dashed. So if this is the dashed array, you can change this like this is the gradient. So you can see the color of this line chart is dark over here, and decreases the here, so you can change this also. Okay, there is one more option that there are some tools here to use, like zoom in, zoom out, selection. When you select a particular area, this will stretch by this option. And this panning is to swap, drag and drop left and right. So this is, and home is for reset, and this is option for downloading. So if you want to remove any of these options, then in this chart option there is an option called toolbar, and in toolbar show tool and tools. Let's see, I want to remove the download option, so I can assign false. So you can see the download option is removed now. You can also change some other options, and if you want to see all the options, then you can visit this chart, and in this charts options, if you see that there is option called chart, and in this chart there is a option called toolbar. So here you can see all the options in the tools, download, selection, and you can assign boolean value to each of these to remove or show. Thank you.